Hello and welcome to English Testing Hub. This quiz consists of 25 questions about adverb clause. An adverb clause is a dependent clause that functions as an adverb in a sentence. Are you ready? Let's begin. Which sentence contains an adverb clause? Although I was tired, I went to the store. Which sentence contains an adverb clause indicating place? I will go to the store where they sell fresh produce. What type of word is used to introduce most adverb clauses? Subordinating conjunctions. Which sentence contains an adverb clause indicating manner? She sings beautifully although she is nervous. Even though train fares are at their most expensive, passenger numbers continue to increase. Which sentence contains an adverb clause indicating time? The dog barked loudly when the mailman arrived. While my younger sister has 2 daughters, my older sister doesn't have any children. You will continue to put on weight unless you start to eat less junk food. You must use a comma if the adverb clause is at the beginning of the sentence. I saw a stranded dolphin while I was walking down the beach. We had better wait here under the tree until the rain slows down a bit. Don't bother to call me whenever you have any problem. Which type of adverb clause is used in this sentence? Adverb clause of purpose. Did anybody come to see me while I was out? Locate the adverbial clause in this sentence. Although there is little we can do. I promise, I will call you soon after we get there. When we saw the dog running towards us, we ran away as fast as we could. I climbed a high tree in order that I could get a better view of the ocean. Locate the adverbial clause in this sentence. After everyone has eaten. Helen is a beautiful girl, but she is stupid. Even though she was ill, she managed to win the race. The weather is going to be awful, hence I'll stay till the morning. Since I do not like to play soccer, I play only when my friends insist. Locate the adverbial clause in this sentence. While you were gone. Which of the following is an example of an adverb clause of place? The car drove past the house where the children were playing. Share your score in the comments section. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe because more useful content is on the way. See you in the next videos.